Introducing a new seat for Wilderness Systems Ride Series fishing kayaks. The AirPro Max blends durability, functionality, and accessory-ready features in a comfortable, lightweight package. Elevate your next angling adventure with the AirPro Max by Wilderness Systems.
With the new seat in the low position, this is where you would want to paddle from. The high position lends itself well to sight fishing and getting up a lot higher. And the reclined position is awesome for just chilling on the water.
My favorite position is actually this high position because it gives, it allows you to sight fish from a slightly elevated position, but also it really makes standing up a lot easier. The design team really put some thought into these straps here, and it actually shows you with these little insignias where you grab it for each position. We're already in the low position, and if you want it to be in the high position, the little arrows going up helps you get it there. If you want it to do the recline position, right there. And then if you want it all the way down, that way you'll never forget. One feature they kept from the old ride seat is the ability to trim the seat all the way back or all the way forward. The reason you would want it all the way back is that when you stand up, it creates a nice big flat space here. Sitting back down, and when you're paddling, a boat that's not trimmed properly, the nose is going to pop up and the wind can catch that. It's just problematic. It's not as efficient if it's not flat. So you're actually going to move your own weight all the way forward, so that boat, instead of the nose popped up, goes right down like that. The design process on this seat started well over a year ago. The design team sent to the pro staffers a bunch of CAD drawings. We had some teleconferences. It really involved the pro staff a great deal. In fact, they had a bunch of us take out, ooh, there was a bite. A bunch of us took prototype seats out last winter in some pretty rough conditions, and we actually broke one or two of them, and that let them know, all right, here are a couple components that need to be upgraded in terms of more durable products going into the seat. So really it's been put through the rigors of kayak fishing already. The material here, the tubing is architectural grade aluminum. There's actually no welding on the aluminum tubing, which means that there's no weak spots. The mesh material is very breathable, which you don't paddle and fish all day with a wet butt. It's UV and mold resistant, so it's certainly gonna hold up a long time. Now, if you want a little bit more lumbar support in here, these straps, you can tighten them, and that just makes it a little bit tighter across here. It arches out a little bit more for people that want that lumbar support. Just like you have the straps in the back for your added lumbar support, you have them on the bottom as well. So that's going to adjust how it feels when your butt's in the seat. If you want it a little tighter, or if you want it to dip more, it's almost like your sleep number bed. Now, it's apparent from my kayak that kayak fishermen, they like to accessorize. I got all kinds of stuff in the slide tracks here, and the folks that designed this kept that in mind. They put some flat space here so that you can drill into this injection molded plastic. On this flat surface here, you can put your ram balls, your Yak Attack products, whatever it is that you want on these flat surfaces. And then when you take the seat with you, if you switch it from one boat to the next, those accessories go with you. Now, Wilderness Systems could have saved a few bucks and had the seat made in China, but they didn't. It's made in the USA. Now if you wanted to get a ride 115, 115X, or 135 with the seat, those start shipping in September 2014. If you wanted to get it for a 2012 or newer ride that you already own, they start shipping October 2014.
Check with your local Wilderness Systems dealer for availability today.